Good morning, you guys. So today Emily and I are making pancakes for our friends. They're coming over right now. We had a fun night and now we're kind of just all wanting some pancakes, and then we're gonna go do something really fun today. So stay tuned. Emily, back in the kitchen.
Hello.
What is going on? Wait. There we go.
Today we're making pancakes. You know, we have our little pancake mix over here.
Okay, ready? Let's pose for a thumbnail. Cool. Alright, we're gonna make the pancakes now. It's a really good day, you know, listening to the Taylor Swift new album. Apartment tour will be coming soon. Ah! No, it's our first time cooking. Shoot! Everything's good, everyone. Everything's fine, just the pancakes. Oh no! Are you joking? We are so confused. This like pan we're using keeps like getting like it's really weird. It keeps like overheating. Everything's fine, everyone. Don't worry. God, adulting is hard. We're actually getting pretty good at this. Check it out. We have this whole stack of pancakes. The boys are about to come over and they'll probably destroy them before we even eat any, but we have a lot being cooked right now, so yay. All right, all the pancakes are being served.
Hello.
This is Christian and Dane, by the way. So, I mean, if you know who they are, then good job. So they're getting featured today.
Scope the channel.
I'll leave it right here.
Yeah, you will.
Make sure you guys definitely go check out Christian and Dane's YouTube channel because they are so fun and they have really good Cal Poly videos. So if you're going to be like an incoming freshman or just you're a student at Cal Poly, I would recommend watching them. They're really funny. Yeah. Anyways, we are going to head out right now to the beach. It's about 1:30 and I need to stop and get some gas in my car. Alright, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up while you're watching. And if you guys liked this video, definitely subscribe because I post a lot of videos like this one. Alright, we got to the beach. We're waiting for the boys. They're a little bit late.
Just a tad, only like,
you know, but we're just in Hannah, Montana, so yeah, I don't know. But we're wearing the same shirt because that's just what happens with best friends. Just wear the same clothes.
Yeah.
But
shout out to Brandy Melville for, you know, making us basic.
We're gonna answer some of the questions you guys have asked me like a month ago, and I like haven't gotten around to it. But instead, we're gonna actually talk about what we're most excited for our second year of college at Cal Poly. So, what are you excited for, Em?
I think I'm mostly excited for taking more of my major classes because I'm an English major, so I'm doubling up on 2 English classes for fall quarter. So yeah, that'll be good. And living off campus.
Okay, yeah. I feel like I'm super excited to like go through like obviously like recruitment and stuff. Hopefully get a little that kind of stuff, but I'm also just really excited to like I don't know like get like more like memories with our friends. I don't know.
Yeah, because we're living with our best friends now. And like before we were living in the dorm, so like we're with our friends, but now it's like we're literally all together
in the same room. So it's super fun. I'm excited to like learn how to like make hopefully different types of food other than mac and cheese. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. We already made the pancakes this morning.
Oh yeah.
But there's a lot of adulting that needs to happen this year for me. So we're gonna hope that it goes well.
It's you know, learn by doing, as they say.
That's what we love about Cal Poly. It says like, what's the weather? Okay, Ellie asked this. I'm not sure how to say her last name. This is literally forever ago, Ellie. I'm sorry that you asked this in literally July. It says, what's the weather like in SLO and like good clothes to pack for them? Well, let me give you a really quick answer. Super hot during the day and freezing at night. It's like 40 degrees when you go out. For our semi-formal, it was 32 degrees at night and we were in like little dresses. But basically the weather is like very warm and then colder at night, but during the winter it starts getting really rainy.
Yeah, especially this year. Like normally it doesn't rain as much, but this year it rained, I'd say like most of the time. Like
it rained like at least in my, if I can remember this right, it's like 3 or 4 days a week.
Yeah,
it rained during like,
which is rare. Like I don't think that will happen again, but
yeah, it was kind of sad. Like
it was colder than you thought, right?
Yeah. I guess so. You're probably wondering like what did we wear to school a lot of times. I wore leggings a lot.
Me too.
and like a Cal Poly sweatshirt or like a sorority shirt or something. But other than that, like I sometimes would dress cuter. Kind of just depends, like if I wanted to go do something right after class or if I was just like planning on studying.
Yeah, I feel like at most colleges people don't really dress cute as much. Oh.
Phone call from the boyfriend.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm feeling really dumb because I forgot to vlog at the beach and that would have been fun. And then we went to Costco and that also would have been good for the vlog. So I'm sorry. I'm about to go babysit and then I'll be back around 10 and then we're having some people over. So that should be fun. And hopefully you guys have been enjoying this vlog. I'll hopefully add in a few more like question and answer kind of things in here. Maybe I'll film some of it tomorrow. I'm not sure. Alright, good morning you guys. Today is the next day. I unfortunately did not vlog once again last night. I'm so sorry. Wait, I think this music that I have on right now is actually too loud. Let me go turn that off. But today's plan is just to clean our entire apartment, do the dishes, put away my laundry, hopefully film a video. I have 2 videos that I'm hoping to film. One of them is a video I'm so excited to film. I'm not going to tell you guys anything about it yet, just because you'll see it in like so soon, or it might already be up by now, but going to film that, hopefully at least a part of it tonight. And then I'm also going to film a video on clothes to bring to college, so hopefully those videos will be very helpful for you guys. Also guys, this has come in very handy since I've moved into my apartment. I also used it in high school, but I definitely need this to like plan my meals for the week, just because now that I'm not eating in the dorm, it's very helpful to kind of schedule out what I'm eating, when I'm eating, and then knowing what I need to buy from the store. I also put one in our kitchen for like communal stuff, just so our roommates can have us if they're going to the grocery store. One other thing that I really like about this apartment is that not only obviously is our view great, but you can hear the stadium and like the football games. I'm not really one to go to the games just because Cal Poly isn't like super big on sports, but it's still fun to kind of hear the score and like what's going on. So I love that part of our apartment. Alright, I just went and cleaned all the toilets and sinks in the house, so they are going to be really clean when Shay and Morgan move in. I just want to say props to my mom and dad for always doing that, because that was my first time ever doing it, so thank you for the 19 years of doing it for me. But I finally did it. It wasn't bad. Yeah, adulting. I just finished filming my what I wear in college for parties and all of that, so hopefully if that's up already, you guys can go check that video out. It was really, really fun to film. I've actually been meaning to film that video for about a month or so. So I hope you guys liked it. I try to be as honest and real with you guys as possible. All right, I'm going to head to the gym now. It is like 7 o'clock and I'm gonna come home and make some dinner. On the way, couple birds came up beside me. Had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear I heard them angels. So I just woke up and I haven't really started my day yet, but I was about to post the video and I saw that I had a question, so I just wanted to kind of answer it to the best of my ability. Someone was wondering what it's like being in a sorority, like what events and activities do you do, and if it's time consuming. Because we're about to go through recruitment and all of that, I'm not supposed to say too much about my own chapter, so I'm going to speak on behalf of all of Greek life, just as a nation. But every Greek life chapter has chapter, which is like the weekly meeting. You'll have a philanthropy event or multiple throughout the school year, and you'll have like sisterhoods, which is like a bonding for all the girls in the chapter. There's other things that happen during sororities too, but that's stuff that you get to touch on during recruitment if you choose to go through that process. There are certain days designated to sharing certain parts of the sorority. Personally, I'm not going to share any of that with you because I want you all to experience it for yourself, but I really hope that was a good answer. Then I would say that being in Greek life is as much of a time commitment as you would want it to be for the most part. You'll definitely know what you need to do once you're in a chapter, but it definitely isn't my whole life, and I think it is a really cool addition to my life. That's kind of all I'm going to say about that question. Alright, I was just editing this video and realized I did not end it, but I hope you guys really did like this video, and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!